So Wall Street just keeps climbing, and Monday was no different. Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, September 23rd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. U.S. stocks edged higher to kick off the week, with all three major indexes notching fresh records for the third day in a row. The Dow added about 0.2%, the Standard & Poor's 500 rose almost 0.5%, and the Nasdaq led the way, climbing about 0.7%. The real star of the day was Nvidia, which hit another record high after announcing plans to invest up to $100 billion in OpenAI over the coming years. Oracle also jumped on news that it will join a White House-backed investor group taking control of TikTok's U.S. operations. And Tesla rallied close to its 2025 highs, with traders still betting on its self-driving push and new product pipeline. Meanwhile, gold hit a brand new record, topping $3,750 an ounce, as investors piled in on expectations of more Fed rate cuts this year. But on the flip side, Bitcoin and other cryptos dropped sharply, with over $1.5 billion in bullish bets wiped out. Looking ahead, everyone's waiting for Friday's PCE inflation report. That's the Fed's favorite gauge of consumer prices. A softer reading could boost the odds of another quarter-point cut in October. Until then, traders will be hanging on speeches from Fed Chair Jerome Powell and newcomer Stephen Moran, who said Monday he thinks rates should be about 2 percentage points lower. And just to add a political twist, markets are also eyeing fallout from Trump's latest immigration crackdown. His plan to slap companies with a $100,000 fee for H-1B work visas already has big firms like Microsoft and Goldman Sachs scrambling. So, in short, big tech is keeping the rally alive, gold is shining bright, crypto stumbled, and all eyes are on the Fed this week. Alright, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.